In today's exciting episode of Big Al, I find out that Richard's from Malta.
He's a Malteser.
Sales are finally up to 6,000 a week.
Yes, money-wise we're up.
I'm in love with Jeremy Clarkson.
Jeremy Clarkson.
And one of my staff is about to get buried in an avalanche of books.
May the paces. Now remember, there's stuff up the back there I can see that's pretty good. There's a 50th anniversary of Kiss. Well guys, so I'm here in the eBay store. I'm doing a video today on Monday sales to see if we've done better or worse in the sales. Now I'm seeing a load of stuff coming out for packing. Lots of fashion, or unless you're doing the fashion in a minute, Richard, are you?
Yes, we've been packing that.
Okay. Oh, sandals are being sold again. Look, we're selling the sandals that we didn't sell last year. They're still selling them.
Yeah.
So we're getting sandals sold. What's that a sign of? The weather! Yay! Boom, 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 boom. Shut up, you. So we got viewers today. Joe's standing on site. He's back from his sick, so he's standing back. But anyway, so eBay sales. How do they get on, kid?
Similar to last week, 115.
But we're up on sales.
Yes, money-wise we're up.
So finally, anyone that's watching this has seen from November, we've been down on sales, something serious. We were hit by a GPSR in November. Then Christmas came. We had a bit of a high, but then it went down low again in January. It really didn't pick up in the January sales. We didn't really do well. We done well on the November sales, didn't we?
Yes.
The November sales, the Black Friday, but that was because of your intelligence, Richard.
Well.
That was because of Rich's intelligence here. What was it? Oh, by the way, Richard's Maltese. Now, you can't see him at the minute, but I'll just put that box down. There's his face. There's his beautiful face.
Maltese.
He's a Malteser. That's what he says anyway. What do you call someone? Is a Maltese person...
Maltese.
A Maltese?
They're Maltese.
So, not a Malteser?
Or they're not Maltesian either. They're Maltese.
A Maltesian?
No, they're not.
He's not a Mortician.
Not Maltese.
No, it's just Maltese.
A Maltese.
Yeah.
It sounds like better if he's a Malteser. Does it not sound better? Does it not?
To you.
So, I didn't know he was Maltese, which means that we're going to set up a new property over there.
Oh, good.
And we're going to use all your stuff to get over there. So we get tax-free income. Anyway, so sales are up. We're up to what, $6,000?
Close to it.
So we're now hitting $6,000 a week in sales, which is not bad. It's coming close. We had a really good day sales with the new coupon that we started to do. We've never done coupons before. So we put the sales up with a coupon and sales hit 1,200 on Saturday, but went to shit on Sunday. But I know why that happened. So we didn't hit the $7,000 mark, but I know why that happened. That was because I believe it was the weather. The weather was the problem. Yeah. Would you not agree?
I would. It was very nice yesterday.
So we'll take a look at probably some of these sales today. You've been packing already. Cracky.
Oh, that's the stuff from Saturday that we did.
Oh, that's Saturday? Okay. Yeah, we're not supposed to be working on Saturday, and yet this man keeps on coming into work when he's told not to.
Yeah. Needs done.
What do you think about this? Have anyone got a place for this guy? Because he doesn't go home. He won't go home, so, you know.
This is home.
Yeah, good point. Yeah. Am I getting you a bed?
I've got a hammock.
You have a hammock?
Yeah.
Got to stay nice and warm, though. This place is cold because there's no bloody warm air getting into this place. I might take that down, you know. Might put some windows in. What do you think?
Well, we need the space for stock, so...
We need it, yeah, I know. All right, well, listen, I'll probably do some packing here or just show you what's going on in regards to what we got today. While Richard goes and does his lifting and scooping, I'm going to turn this channel around and watch this, look. Look at that lazy bugger sitting over there. That's Joe. We all know Joe now. Oh, look at this. Oh. See, you start to see things changing, don't you, when you see things like that going in? Do you not?
Are they both?
Oh, look. Oh my goodness. Does anyone remember this video where I ended up with a pubic hair and the customer returned it saying, what did they say? It wasn't, no. What did they say it was? It didn't fit. It didn't fit. So they put it on and it had bloody pubic hairs on, and eBay refunded the customer, not us. Did we get our money back on that, Richard?
Yes, I believe we did.
There's some Power shampoo.
We did do it.
There is a water filter. There is some hook length cam soft fishing line. What else have we got here? You can see things that are all outside stuff. Camp pillows. That's not outside. But that is. And you get sandals and look, butane gas. We're all going outside.
That's not for outside. That's for the bath.
That's for the bath. Okay.
You don't drown in the bath.
Okay, that makes sense.
You know people do drown in the bath?
They do. They do. What else have we got? Oh, look. The British flag clippers. St. George. That's right. It's St. George's Day coming up. That needs to be sent out. That's not going out. That's not going out with, what do you call it, is it? What? That's not going out with Royal Mail. They'll nick them.
Don't think so.
Bloody St. George's Day. They're leaving it late. When's St. George's Day? When is St. George's Day? It's not far away.
Not far away, I'm not sure when.
They're leaving that late. Another smart switch. There's another smart switch. They're lovely, they are. Have you any seen these? They're actually really, really nice. They're touch buttons. What?
A few of them, so we have.
Yeah, no, I bought them. Bought them at auction. Oh, we got some more Rimmel, sorry. That's my hat. I'll put that back on. Mr. Clarkson, again, my favourite man. There he is there. Jeremy Clarkson, he's the man. What else have we got? A book on the tree. The Greedy Queen. It's a bit like some gay people I know. Anyway, The Greedy Queen, no. Anyway, Mutant Crawl Classics. Elevate Your Salah. I assume is that Muslim?
Yeah.
Class. Red Flags, Wandering Eyes. Oh, look. Russian the Salah. Red Flags. Regularly forgetting which rakah. Showing off is a red flag. Fidgeting is a red flag. Wandering Eyes. You see, sometimes if you actually look at the way, when the slave, look at this, when the slave rectifies two of his qualities, everything was rectified, his salah and his tongue. What's that called? Kushtu? Kushu? Focus, calmness and humility. Involving the heart. You see, reading and intellectualizing a religion, it makes you understand it more. It makes you less fearful of it. If you just make yourself rethinking the Salah, that looks like a really good book. I wouldn't mind reading that.
No evidence of spy pens sold, listed anywhere.
Wiped.
Nothing. I've looked up spy pens, any way you change it, and nothing.
Right.
Nothing on the sold and nothing on active at all. So there isn't. That's why I'm thinking, like, was there a brand name maybe with it? Did they maybe not put spy pen?
No, it was known as spy pen. So, I had a depot in Uri, and I had some really expensive stuff in Uri, and I've asked Dean to make a little inquiry that I found stock that I couldn't find stock in the depot that I closed down, and it's not on our database at all. They've disappeared now. These were really expensive. I bought them, and I was going, I wonder where they went to. Did they sell? And they didn't. Clearly, they'd not sold. These were known as spy pens. They were used by the police, and they were used for, and it was a company that worked for the police. They went bankrupt, and I bought their stock, and they had about 30 spy pens, and they're worth about £150 each. So they've disappeared.
No evidence at all anywhere that I can see. At all. Check the sold tab, check the active listings tab.
So this could be another story. So I'll start that story when I get down to the Newry branch again and find out what's going on. Right, thank you, Dean. I appreciate that. So this could be another story coming up. Staff stealing. Anyway. So Dogman Unleashed, here we go. Start power boating. Look at this. This is the weather changing. They're all weather related. What do you say, Drew?
Oh, I agree. It's been a very nice week this week.
So lots of orders going in. This is our yodel.
I'm voting that we work outdoors this week.
You're voting that we work outdoors?
We'll get the packing table outside and we'll just work out there.
I'm alright with that, as long as the weather's good. Is that sold?
Yes.
Yeah.
See that?
It's like an AC unit for a car. I listed that
That looks like a Ford Focus, is it?
months ago.
It's a Vitara Suzuki.
Oh, Suzuki.
That's good news for.
I know, for the business. Yeah, that's another thing I got to do a video tomorrow on that. Anyway,
That's good.
I'm still dying of a cold. Still dying of a cough. Anyway, we're pretty good in regards to the sales. I'm really, really pleased with that. So, I can't congratulate you guys or say thank you very much for the hard efforts that you've been putting in. I just hope that we could grow our business, but I think we just have to sustain our business now.
Batten down the hatches, as you say.
Yeah, what do you say?
Batten down the hatches.
Batten down the hatches is right. I need to get them knives. We can't sell them knives, can we?
We put them on Shopify, but Shopify's just not doing what it used to.
No. So knives you can't sell. Sure, I'll show you this. You want to hold that there for a minute, Dino? You can point it on me, look.
It's like a fisheye.
What? A fisheye?
Yeah, so it's like...
Oh, I thought you were talking about me.
No.
Look at these beautiful knives, look. And we can't sell them. Look at that. Japanese steel. Japanese steel. Absolute stunning piece of kit. And we can't sell them. All I can do is sell them in the marketplace down in a car boot sale. But, I mean, you're talking, I think they're about 70, 80 quid each. And if I sold them on in a marketplace, I'll give you a fiver for it. I'll give you a fiver for it. I don't think so. Anyway, all right. I'll take that back. Thank you very much, Mr. Cameraman.
No problem.
Is it still following me? Probably. Was it following me, was it?
No, I had to like...
Okay. Oh, what's this?
Yeah, I had to move it and stuff.
Right. All right. Kiddo, can we take the stuff from the top? You doing books today? Yeah. Can we take the stuff from the top, please? Because we're going to have an avalanche and you're going to be buried in books.
Buried in knowledge.
What do you say?
Buried in knowledge.
Yeah, buried in knowledge, yeah, if you call it that. I call it a potential bloody injury. I mean, that's sitting there. There's probably tons there.
Yeah.
Can we take them from the top? Just take that big box down and just put it over there. But, yeah, if we just keep it level. I want to try and get rid of that stack of books.
Okay.
So keep me informed as well about what's going on, all right, will you? Appreciate that, Matthew. What?
I'm looking to get to this. That's what I keep eyeing this. Oh, that'll sell it.
Oh, yeah, but you need to go up there first.
I know.
Sorry, mate.
I know.
May the patience. Now, remember, there's stuff up the back there I can see that's pretty good. There's a 50th anniversary of Kiss.
What do you want me to do with stuff that's a bit too cheap then? Do you want them in boxes or do you want...
Yeah, so you put them back in the boxes for me to sell them.
Okay.
I'll find a place to sell them. Okie dokes.
Yeah.
Alright.
Where do you
Oh,
want
does anyone want to sell that?
What is it?
It's a record player. 1950s record player. A 1950s record player.
Is the needle and all still fine on it?
I don't know. I never played it.